In this video, I'm going to show you how to add social links to your YouTube descriptions with icons. So if you want to create a social link that looks something similar to this with the icon, then what you need to do is head over to your YouTube profile picture in the top right hand side, come over to YouTube Studio, and from the left hand side, click on Content. So from here, you can either select the video that you want to add a social media link to just by coming over to the video and clicking on Details, and then obviously we'll have access to the video description, and then from here we can add our social media links, which I'll show you how to do in a second. However, if you want to apply this to all future uploads, so every time you upload a video the social media links will be added, then to do this you need to head over to Settings from the left hand side, click on Upload Defaults from the left, and then come down to Video Description. So what you need to do here is just type in the name of the social media that you want to add, so for example Instagram, and then all you need to do is head over to your Instagram profile in a separate window, and then we're just going to copy this URL section, then come back over to your video and just paste it in like so. And then now if I click save, what's going to happen is every time I upload a video, that's now going to be added. Now you're probably wondering how we get the icons next to your social media links. Well, basically every time you add this link, the icon will be automatically added along with it, so you don't need to worry about adding the emoji or anything like that. This will automatically be applied. And of course you can do this for any of your social medias. You can do Facebook and so forth. You just need to paste in the URL of your social media handle here, and it will automatically apply the icon for that social media. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.